In this question, we are supposed to find the volume of this hexagonal prism of side 5 centimeter. Now, for us to get the volume, we are going to use the formula. Volume is given by A times H, where A is a cross-sectional area, cross-section area. And in this cross-section area, the cross-section is the hexagon, which means the area of the hexagon. Now, there is a way we can find the area of the hexagon. If we try to draw triangles here and join to the center of the hexagon, we are going to form 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we're going to do is we find the area of one triangle and then multiply by 6. The triangle is an equilateral triangle. So when we draw those triangles, it means that the triangles, all the sides are equal. So to get the area of one triangle of side 5 centimeter, so why are we putting 5? The property here is that when we draw those triangles, we are forming an equilateral triangle, and from the geometry properties, equilateral triangles, all the sides are equal. So the formula for finding an equilateral triangle is the square root of 3 over 4 times s squared, where s is the side of the triangle. So this is a formula that you need to know. There's a way we drive it, but I think it makes it easier for you to just understand and cram it and use it whenever you need it. Now the side of the triangle is 5. Now the area will be the square root of 3 divided by 4 times 25, which means 5 squared. The side is s is 5 in this case. So that will give us the area of one triangle. But you have 6 triangles, therefore we will have 6 multiplied by the square root of 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 25. This will give us by 2, 3 by 2, 2. We shall have 3 square root of 3 over 2 multiplied by 25. Using the calculator, we're going to get 64.95 centimeter squared. That will be the cross-section area of the hexagon. Now the volume finally will be, when we have A, which is 64.95 multiplied by 20, this will give us 1299 centimeter cube.